not half bad.
On, tell me, where did you take Melissa?
What is crazy? We don't even know who that is.
Damn it, that was all for nothing.
Let's retreat for now and see if there are any new clues.
You there. Got a minute? I've been watching for a while. You seem like you're pretty handy in a fight. With skills like that, it ought to be easy to work with you.
Sorry, work with me?
You're looking for the priestess named Melissa, right?
How did you... Who are you?
Me? I'm Casper, the #1 problem solver. And it just so happens that I'm currently employed by the pirates who kidnapped her. They asked me to pass along that they want to work out a deal with you. So if you want Melissa back, come with me.
Are you in bed with the pirates too?
What, you think I'm with them? I'm just a troubleshooter, an independent contractor.
Melissa better be unharmed.
Of course she's unharmed, but things will keep getting more and more dangerous for her if you keep stalling. She's quite the looker for a priestess of the saintly order.
You pig. What do you want?
We recently had something called a tyrant's heart stolen from us. Go retrieve it for me, and then I'll release...
And where exactly am I supposed to find that?
It's all good, I'm on it. Only thing you gotta worry about is following close and helping with the fighting. Hey, Gambero, you're prepared to pay me, right?
Oh, don't worry your pretty little head about that. Just go find it. Failure. I bet you don't know what a maniac our captain is. He was affected by a weird power at some point and started losing his mind.
Right then, I suppose I'll forgive you. But I still sentence you to death.
If I don't get that thing back pretty soon, I'll be his next time.
What, you don't trust me? But I'm Casper, the #1 problem solver.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you down by the docks.
Shall we start? Stop wasting time and follow me. Time is money. Now, we're going to look for an artifact called the Tyrant's Heart. A guy named Congero stole it. His minions wear black bandanas.
There! Like those guys?
Oh, that's them.
They were sent by Gigantus. Everyone, make a run for it. Help!
There's a fallen guard there.
Aren't you the Dawn mercenary?
Oh, you're the guard captain's men. What happened?
Pirates wearing black bandanas attacked us while we were on patrol.
That's right. They were spotted at the coastal guard post, and now they're here.
Hold on. Where is this guard post?
You'll see it past those twin boulders to the north.
Sounds like as good a place as any to start.
Yeah! Do not underestimate the Terra Imperial Army!
Over there!
Crap! Those pirate bastards!
Hey! You're mine!
Who the hell are you?
Your friends are at the coast unconscious. Go check them, now!
What? Thank you anyway. Catch you later!
Where's your boss?
You mean Congero? Huh? That crazy bastard is not our boss! You and me!
Woohoo! This is exciting! Let's...
Their boss? What's going on over there?
Let's catch one of them and find out. That's kind of my specialty.
Your specialty? What are you up to?
You'll see soon enough. That's what a troubleshooter does.
Who are you? You're mercenaries?
That's us. We encountered your patrolmen. They were attacked by pirates. They should be making their way back with the wounded soldiers.
Oh, damn it. I knew this would happen. If only the captain wasn't so careless when he sent us out here. The thing is, over the last few days, those pirates have been showing up at the northern snowy mountain.
Wait, the mountain, you say? I suppose that's the reason they couldn't be found on the shore, then.
Pirates in the mountains, huh? All right, then. To the northern snowy mountain.
Finally, I found you here. Damn it, we've been made. Run! It's between you and me.
Where's Congero?
Congero? Who cares about Congero? He abandoned us!
Tell us everything if you want to live. Where did you hide the tyrant's heart?
Ask Congero. He's controlling the poorest tribesmen with it.
What? He's controlling them?
Oh my. I thought it was just a rumor.
The difference between you
Jasper,
and
what do
me.
you mean?
The tyrant's heart is an artifact which used to belong to the ruler of the frozen land. Rumor has it that you can bring the Boris tribe to their knees with. Let's go in deeper.
Oh. Help. Please, help. You're the problem solver. Did Gigantus send you?
You were with Congero, weren't you? Did something happen between you?
He's no longer the Congero we used to know. After he got his hands on the tyrant's heart, he became sadistic. He killed many of his men and brought on the Boris tribe in their place. He wasn't like this when I joined his crew. I tried to change his mind, but...
I really couldn't care less. Tell me, where is he?
Beyond that hill, my subordinates weren't able to make it out in time. Please, save them.
Good. We have all the intel we need. What do you say? Shall we solve this problem?
Sure thing. But did you have to be so harsh?
I guess you are still only a child. There's no need to waste your emotions on these things. All right, enough talk. Let's move. After all, it's only a matter of time before they sell Melissa off to the highest bidder.
Damn it. Please, Melissa. Hang in there. Those guys are very strange. I think they really are being controlled.
Oh, that was real? I could do so much if I had that thing.
Hey, you're not planning something fishy, are you?
Don't worry. I always keep my end of the deal.
Stop! Stop it! I won't disobey! Please!
Hey, snap out of it.
Huh? Who are you guys? It doesn't matter. Just save me. I'll do anything you say, please.
It's simple. Tell us where Congero is. We'll kill him for you. All you gotta do next is run away.
Okay, sure. You just have to go down the hill and take the road to the...
No, they were genuinely scared. You should trust my gut with this sort of thing.
It's the difference. I can see their barricades, so they're basically close.
Are they seriously trying to stop us with a pile of firewood?
They're trying to stop the Northern Sea Pirates. Gigantus was the one Congero was most afraid of. Since Congero was Gigantus' right-hand man before, he knows well how terrifying Gigantus can be.
Is Gigantus that strong?
You don't want to get involved with that monster.
Help! Please!
That's the Black Marauders. Should we help them? Let's go check.
Difference between you and me!
Oh no, they're all dead.
I feel like I'm born again. I'm the ruler of the Northern Sea now. With this.
Is this the tyrant's? It says, to my little son. I can sense how powerful it is.
The power is quite strong. Who was the owner of this artifact?
You must have heard of him. It's Seven Knight Spike. A legendary and powerful man.
Wait a minute. If that's true, this is more valuable than I thought.
New ruler. It's a new ruler. We obey. We obey.
Is this the effect of the artifact? They won't try to kill us, will they?
Let's just get past this quietly.
We can reach the coast through this way. It's Gambero. He's waiting for us there. As promised, we brought back everything the traders stole from you.
Ooh, good, good. You guys are pretty useful.
Hope you haven't forgotten your end of the deal.
Of course not. She's on this ship. You can take her.
All right. But if you touched one hair on Melissa's head, I swear I'll make you pay.
Yeah? You want to try me right now? You better take her before I change my mind.
All right. I'll go get her. Melissa!